Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming you have admin or account level access because you'll need permission to change ad settings. Once done, update Windows and Office to the latest build to avoid UI mismatches and open Portal. Office. Com. Next, navigate to Settings then General. This is where personalized ads and suggestions live. You'll disable the sources that serve in-app promotions. Do this first to stop new ad triggers while you move on to deeper, persistent controls. Now you remove the features that push targeted messages, primarily turn off personalized ads and connected experiences in both Office settings and Windows privacy. Then disable Show Me Suggestions and Office Intelligence services, because these fetch promotional content and context-aware tips. Make sure to check add-ins and extensions. Remove or disable optional third-party add-ins that inject banners. Also, reset settings in companion apps like Teams and finish by clearing the Office cache and signing out, then sign back in on each device to force policy refresh. That ensures local copies drop promotional tokens. If you manage multiple users, apply group policy or the registry keys to enforce settings centrally because UI toggles can be overridden by sync. If ads still appear, recheck account sync, rebuild the Office profile, and verify no enterprise marketing add-ins remain. One tip: if something breaks, revert the last change, then reapply policies step by step to isolate the cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.